As you guys know, I'm looking for a new car, and I'm really leaning towards the Type R. My only issue is I have no idea which Type R to get. I cannot decide. Do I get this FL5 kind of Type R? Like, it's sick in Nardo, I'm not gonna lie, but this red just really pops. Or do I go FK8? Like, it's such a hard choice. They're both two beautiful cars, and from what I've heard and seen, they're damn near driving almost exactly the same, probably besides a few aero bits, but just something about this FK8 just so much more aggressive. I don't know, you guys tell me, comment down below, what do you think I should get? Should I get an FK8 or do I get that FL5 over there? I honestly don't know which one to choose. It's such a hard choice. Two beautiful cars, but which one do I choose? Here's another clean ass color. These Aztec green EGs are another super rare breed. I can't tell if this was repainted. This is literally like glass. So even if it was repainted, whoever did it did an amazing job. I feel like EM1s I'm always gonna have a special place in my heart for. Beautiful cars, especially in that blue. The red is cool, but the blue in that year is color. And here's another car I'm always gonna love. These FA5s are one of the best Civics ever. I used to have one of these, and let me tell you, they never break. They just keep on going. I had an SI, of course. This is also an SI because we never got Type R's, but it's got a whole Type R conversion on it, so it's a little cooked, but it's still tough. It's a car I always got to show love to every time I see it because this shit is just so tough. Besides the whole color, it's just like the EM1 blue, I always got to show love to this interior. That shit is spotless. I don't know what it is about this EM1 color blue. It's just so tough. B16 Bard. Here's another clean ass FK8 build. I don't know how to feel about this white though. Like, the white is nice, but it's just not deep enough. There's no mirror really reflection compared to like the red. The red, when you look at it, is literally like you're looking at a mirror. It's like a Ferrari kind of red. They did amazing on it. The white, I don't know, not so much. It's not really hitting the same. This one actually sounds nice. I feel like you never hear this sound this nice. It's sick though. Now here's the setup I basically want. Now definitely not white wheels. White wheels ruin this car. But Advan GTs, and these are fitted pretty well. Probably could be fitted a little better, but I'll take it. This is the kind of Type R I want. Not gonna lie, look at that reflection in the red compared to the white. Like, you can see the whole other car next to it, which is a beautiful GTI, in case you guys wanted to know, on some Vogue T37s. We got a Type R here, FL5, carbon goodies all over the engine bay. We got another GTI here. This blue is sick, but I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I could do it every day. Here's another example on some spoon wheels. I forget what they call, spoon 388. It's some crazy shit like that, but I don't like this part right here. Like, I'd much rather have the grills with the holes in it than just block it off and have two block off plates like that. I don't know why you would do that. but I allow the rear fitment pretty tough. It's also like glass too. Gotta get a clean one, man. I really want one of these. See, a lot of people would just walk by this car, but I love these 4-door Integras. I know they got new Integras now. I don't like them. Never will be as glorious as these, but this is pretty damn clean. The main reason I love Integras is for this right here, this ABS unit. I wish I could put that in my car. If it wasn't such a pain in the ass, I would. But engine bay is pretty clean. And what really caught my eye is these seats. I never liked the beige interior on these cars, but I'm not gonna lie, I could rock with this. You got the tan S2000 seats. That is so tough. I don't know why, but I feel like a livery just changes everything on the car. I want to do a livery so bad on mine, but I don't know what kind of livery to do. I have to figure it out. You got all gutted metal door cards. This fake track ready. But a livery just makes it so tough. And you got a crazy diffuser on it. Holy. This is true definition of TE the world. Got a huge Toyota Sienna right here. With a nice set of TE37s on it. Can't be mad at it. That color goes sick with this car. I'm telling you, these FA5s gotta be some of my favorites. Especially with the Type R swap front end. This front end is so timeless. It's a cool wrap color too. It's like a forest green. And we got this bad boy right here. This is tough. This blue's beautiful. Rim setup is perfect. And as usual, it's an SI. Just everything swapped with Type R goodies. Rear Type R swap and front Type R swap. It's a little different though. I like how his fenders have this vent in it. Definitely makes it way more aggressive. As usual, you can't have a Honda car show without having Porsches, because once a Honda guy gets money, he's either gonna buy a Porsche or a BMW. That's just how it goes. I don't know why, I don't know how, but that's just the way life goes sometimes. And when I start getting money, I promise you I have a Porsche. Promise you I'm gonna have a nice Beamer, and I'm gonna still have a nice Honda. So we got this yellow one. And we got this bad boy right here. Now that he moved the car, I can talk about it a little more. He's pretty sick, full race purpose FA5. I don't know how they do these headlight cutouts. Literally go straight through to inside the car, but it's a turbo, big turbo on there with a full side exit exhaust, which is honestly pretty sick. Never seen something like that on one of these cars. Interior is damn near fully gutted. So you got like a mini air conditioner back there. No rear windows, got carbon replacements, Avan GTs, no wing, but everything is done on this car, literally everything. Full race purpose FA5 right here. I'm telling you, when you do the Type R rear tail lights, Type R front end, this car is just literally one of the best Type Rs you can get.